Thanks for watching Twisted TV and welcome to the channel. Coming up on tonight's episode, we definitely have some suspicious activity. You know what they say about a family that steals together? Well, eventually they will go to jail together. Talk about completely shameful. If this isn't family values at its lowest, we don't know what is. We also have this cute porch pirate couple going down the block grinching every package in sight. We're going to be taking a look at the porch pirates of Washington, D.C. in this one. First thing I would suggest is turning your notifications on now, so your items don't get stolen while watching this video. Now without further ado, let's take a look, but before we do, please let's not forget the popcorn and your favorite beverage. And of course your favorite blanket. Dim the lights and let's do what you do to be most comfortable, and let's get started. This grown excuse for a man-child steals this kid's bike and rides it away. Talk about grimy to say the least. Absolutely shameful. Packages stolen by this couple. They were seen on other cameras going down the street, grinching every package in sight. Please be aware and turn those notifications on. Porch pirate. More stolen packages by this brazen thief. If you're in the area, keep an eye on your packages. Laundry room break-in. Talk about strange and unusual behavior. I thought for a moment he was going to wash his shirt. Instead, he seems to check out injuries on his upper body. He soon realizes he is being recorded and decides to steal the camera. Unfortunately for him, it is too late and he is caught on camera. Let's take a look. This day and age, you just have to assume you are always being recorded, because you pretty much are. These criminals just are not that smart clearly, and these days sadly just don't give a fudge. Always be aware there are people like this everywhere in the world. Always be vigilant, my friends. This was on Nolte Avenue this morning. Owners said this individual broke into the basement laundry room and stole money from the coin box. They said it looked like he's done this before and knows his way around a coin-operated laundry machine. Also looks like he was recently hospitalized. He appears to have a hospital band on his left wrist. Any information, please contact Montgomery County Police Department, 3rd District. We have a creep doorknob wiggler in this clip. This creep attempts to open this person's basement door. When he notices the camera, he tries to cover it. Be aware of this guy if you're in the area. And always be vigilant, my friends. Wrong way driver causing damage. This driver seems to have had one too many and drives down a one-way the wrong direction. If you were parked on this street this night and wondering why your car is all banged up, this might have something to do with it. If you're going to be drinking, plan a sober ride or simply call an Uber. This could have been easily avoided if the driver did exactly this. Another porch pirate, and another stolen package. This package was stolen in broad daylight. This pirate casually walks back to his bike with no care or scare in the world. Talk about brazen, not to mention completely shameful. Car break-in at 11:55 a.m. This thief breaks into this vehicle by breaking out the back window. Your vehicles may not be safe even when they are locked. Be aware. Can you believe the nerve of this criminal? Broad daylight and again not a care in the world, like it's no big deal. Unbelievable. Be aware and keep an eye out for this porch pirate if you're on Logan Circle. Porch pirate on 16th Street Heights. This package was pirated on a Saturday about an hour after it was delivered. More brazen porch pirate package thieves. Literally zero fear from these people at this point. Ridiculous. This guy thinks he is slick by trying to slide under the camera. Can you believe this chooch? Porch pirates strike again. Stolen Shinola notebook with Lieutenant Colonel engraved. Anyone recognize this pirate? Not a care in the world. He takes it with no guilt or remorse. So bold and brazen, he just opens it right here and now. Wow. Some people, there just isn't words for. Another one going straight to hell for sure. Anyone recognize this porch pirate? Of course not. This pirate is at least smart enough to cover his face. Be aware and keep an eye on your packages. Woman porch pirate stealing food in this one. Homeowner said, she pulled a DoorDash on my DoorDash and walked off 1 minute after my food was delivered. Be aware if you're in the area. Porch pirate on my porch. We upload new content weekly, most times daily. If you're watching and made it this far, please consider showing your support by hitting that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Sorry mate, you're shit out of luck and your package is long gone by this point. This could have been avoided had those notifications been on. Just saying. Distribution of letters in mail slot at 1:40 a.m. Springfield neighborhood in Bethesda. We don't find this one too fishy. Looks like a man grinding trying to promote his business even if it's night. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks. Porch pirate on 10th Street Northwest. An Amazon delivery driver was making their Saturday deliveries and it seems this individual was following them. This porch pirate arrived at this house to steal these packages less than 10 minutes after they were delivered. Be aware, thanks. Ballsy porch pirate. Early morning thief has the audacity to just walk onto the porch and snatch this wagon. Homeowners said they probably stole it just to be able to haul more loot. We at Twisted TV agree, you are probably right. Keep an eye on your wagon folks, or a man with a wagon stealing your packages. Hooded man attempts to enter home in this one. In the early morning of 7 o'clock a.m. someone attempted to enter this home from the rear basement door. Talk about scary. Always keep your doors locked. These three porch pirates came onto this porch during night and stole 2 rocking chairs. If anyone recognizes these porch pirate criminals, please contact local authorities. Thanks. Scary hooded individual creeping around this property in the early hours of morning. This man is seen on this camera carrying a baseball bat. Talk about absolutely terrifying to say the least. Be vigilant and always keep those doors locked, my friends. Check this terrifying scene. This man is wiggling doorknobs and creeping on this property. Imagine you find this on your camera feed the next day. Let us know in the comments how uneasy you would feel. This video gives us goosebumps just watching it and thinking about what this individual's true malicious intent was. Again, please let us know your thoughts in the comments and thanks for watching. Another porch pirate, and yes, of course, another stolen Amazon package. Porch pirate. This porch pirate comes just after midnight. He takes his time, looks inside the house, the camera, and doesn't care at all. He just takes all our packages and walks away. What is wrong with people these days? Another porch pirate on Columbia Road. Turn him notifications on and keep an eye on your packages. Yes, you already know, porch pirate. He just stole this homeowner's Costco radio. What the hell? You can't even leave your Costco radio out. Two people trespassing and jumping over this back fence at 4 a.m. They appear to be up to no good. Be aware. Another camera angle of these two trespassers jumping this fence at 4 a.m. in the morning. Porch pirate stealing another Amazon package. Homeowner said, "I hope this pirate likes my measuring tape." Another porch pirate, and yes, of course, another stolen Amazon package. Does anyone recognize this chooch? He kinda looks like Vinny from the Jersey Shore in a hippie shirt. Let us know your thoughts. We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly, most times daily. Please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the face like it's a porch pirate from tonight's video stealing your packages. In doing so, you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, and again most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now, to join and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. Until next time, keep it classy, stay safe and always be vigilant, my friends. And thanks for watching.